Not on God-given rays, if because my life is 10 shades of gray. Pray I'll 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the sunny day. Like his promise is true, only my faith can undo many chances I blew to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. Dry the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only bleeding hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain. Keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tooting cane into your own vein? What a shame you're shooting at someone else. Playing the insane and in this dance of fallen faith. Say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams of hopeless aspirations, hope to coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you.